Yo, you're a scientist, you might not even know it. Yo, I'm gonna show you how you're a scientist, alright? Let's go. Listen, you're a scientist, yo. You're a scientist. 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 In science, there's a protocol, a procedure systematical. Like one step, two step, three step, check it. It's parallel to the scientific method. Now C is for claim, just like a hypothesis, a prediction, another word for this. You test your claim with an experiment. When you prove your claim, you show evidence. Lastly, R stands for reasoning. You explain, break down your thinking. In other words, rationalization. You always have to show and prove, yo, what you're saying. So what you saying? Yo, what you saying? What you saying, scientist? Yo, if you can do this, then you're a scientist. You're a scientist, yo. You're a scientist. You're a scientist, yo. You're a scientist. Now let me break it down like this. Yo. CER stands for claim, evidence, and reasoning, right? So you state your claim, you have a question or your hypothesis, or you give your prediction. Then you do your experiment and you show evidence if you were right or if you was wrong. What went wrong? That's what you show in R, your rationalization or your reasoning. Okay, in your reasoning, you like, yo, this went wrong because, but I'm going to try it again. When you try it again, that's a trial. So you can give it more than one trial to make sure that there's like, everything's right and exact. You know what I mean? That you can prove what you're saying. Okay? So that's basically it. And if you can prove what you say with evidence via your reasoning, you're a scientist. So nobody's smarter than you. They might just try harder than you. They just might listen more than you, study more than you. That's all you gotta do is try hard and study and listen in school. Alright? Cool. You're a scientist. Peace. Mr.O. You know I flow. Gotta go. Yo, get that study on, yo. Be smart. Alright? Peace. Like one step, two step, three step, check it. It's parallel to the scientific method.